Hi everyone, welcome to another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. And today we are in a really unique and special place. It is the Bonham Hotel in Edinburgh, Scotland. We happen to be in what they call a signature suite. All of the signature suites have a bedroom and a separate sitting room. And this particular suite is number 100, and it's called the Melville Suite. Now, some of them are reversed. You'll have a small bedroom and a huge sitting room, or you'll have a huge master bedroom and a small sitting room. And then they have one full bath. And every one of them is very different than the other, but they're all decorated in kind of an old world European decor. We're on a quiet street, but we're in walking distance of Edinburgh Castle, and on the other side of the castle is the famous Royal Mile, so you can hike, not hike, but have a good walk, but it is walkable to a lot of famous places. So here we go. This is our beautiful street that we're on. It's August 2023. We're technically on the second floor because the first floor is the ground floor and the second floor is the first floor. So just the way they do it here in Europe. Edinburgh Castle is just behind those trees, about a mile. Our suite happens to be one that is a very large master and a smaller sitting room. The service here is absolutely amazing. The restaurant and bar here are wonderful. And we have a rate that includes a complimentary breakfast, and they will bring it to your room if you like. The room comes with lots of amenities that they're complimentary and more thoughtful than a lot of other hotels. So I apologize. We usually do this video before we unpack, but we got in really late that night. So here we are. So it has a wardrobe, not a closet. And you have a safe, you have full tea service, and they're really good about, they check every day to see if you've used anything, and everything gets replaced. You have a huge selection of teas in that box. And then you have a little mini fridge down here, and in it they keep fresh milk for your tea and cold water. They also let you use the hotel umbrellas anywhere you go. The benefit to that is you don't have to bring one and pack your own. The disadvantage is they're all really large, and they're not like the folding travel size umbrellas. So they're a little more awkward to carry around. And then they give you a clothes steamer and also a ironing board and iron. We have a super unique bathroom, a very European shower. It's actually really nice to use. They give you robes and slippers, lots of bathroom amenities, and if you happen to really like these, you can buy them. Now, hopefully we will get another video of another signature suite because my mom happens to be staying in one, and we can show you that her bathroom is actually very different than this one. And she has the configuration where she has a small bedroom and a really nice big sitting room. Okay, here's the separate sitting room. They have a TV in each room. One of the other really nice things they do for you at this hotel is complimentary whiskey in your room.
12-year-old Scotch. Very sweet.
Is it? It's really good?
It's good.
Nice. They give you just a small, I'll show you. They give you this. Not like a full decanter, but enough to get you by. This is, you sip it anyway, and it's really good. And then a lot of these are some of our snacks from our travels. But what you do get complimentary and stocked in the room is this little box right here. It's complimentary, the whiskey or the scotch, and a bottle of wine. And then here's your full coffee service. They have tea service in the other room and coffee service in this room. So, there you have it. It really is wonderful.
Cheers.
Cheers. Slanjiva. I hope I did that. I hope I pronounced that right, but that is basically cheers in Gaelic. And there you have it, a signature suite at the Bonham Hotel in Edinburgh, Scotland. And we are in 100, which is the Melville suite. Check our channel. We can't promise at this moment, but we're really hoping to get another signature suite video of room 104, which is a different configuration and style, but it's the same amount of space. So feel free to leave comments or questions. We do know that this is probably the most comprehensive video on YouTube at the moment for this hotel and this type of room. So we hope it is really helpful in your travel planning. The other thing is this hotel is 2 or 3 old townhomes that are now connected together. So it's interesting finding your way around, but it really is incredibly lovely. And we'll probably try to get other videos of the common spaces and post that as well. So definitely check, and please subscribe, as the whole reason we do this is to help people with their travel planning and give them information they might not otherwise have had, like we do with the other channels. Feel free to leave comments or questions. Thanks for watching.